Today we are going to be cooking up one of the most underrated Christmas dinner side dishes. We're going to be bringing it to the forefront, spicing it up a bit.
Hey guys, it's Freya and Charlie and welcome to our channel. We're going to be making some festive vegan Brussels sprouts and we're adding in some vegan bacon. And our extra special ingredient, don't knock it till you try it, we're making them with Marmite.
So Brussels sprouts tend to be one of those things that most people don't really like. Like, we always have them at Christmas dinner, but no one wants to eat them. We thought, why not try it and make them as tasty as they can be? And I think we've cracked it.
Yeah, definitely.
We've got our lovely little sprouts, and then we're adding in the bacon bits, vegan bacon bits, which is a classic ingredient that goes with the sprouts. And then, as Charlie said, we've got the Marmite, which just adds a really nice earthy, umami, salty flavour. It does pretty much all the work.
Yeah, it's a really lovely deep flavour. It works so well with these sprouts.
Yeah, and we've made them for quite a few people who aren't necessarily sprouts lovers, and I think we converted them.
Yeah.
So I think you guys are going to love it.
Let's just get on with the cooking.
One of the things that takes the longest is prepping the sprouts, and there are a lot of different ways you can do this. Some people like to do them whole, in half, quarters, or even finely sliced. For this recipe we are going to do them in half, and first we need to chop the end off, peel the outer layer off, then give them a wash, and then we're going to slice them in half and they are ready to be cooked.
Cut only a couple of millimeters off the bottom of each sprout. You're going to want to remove the dark outer layers. If you've got a stock box in the freezer, these outer layers are perfect for it. Once the sprouts have been washed, simply cut them in half vertically. Cut through the centre of the base to make sure your cut is vertical. Melt some vegan butter in a frying pan on a medium heat. Topple in the sprouts and stir to coat in the butter. Now flip them so all of the cut faces are down towards the pan.
The next step isn't a necessity, but we like to add it, especially at Christmas, because you want to be a little bit extra special. So we're going to be adding in some vegan bacon bits, and we're using this brand La Vie. It's the little plant-based bacon lardons. You could also use the This Isn't Bacon lardons. They're also really good, but I think these are our favourites, so we're going to go with these. If you can't find the little bacon bits, then of course you could just buy some of the vegan bacon rashers and chop them up really finely.
Add your vegan bacon to the pan. Stir, being careful not to flip any of the sprouts at this stage. Leave them to cook for a bit, and once they begin to go golden like this, resume stirring without worrying about the sprouts flipping over. If they begin to stick, add a little water to free them up again. After 5 to 10 minutes of cooking, it's time to add the Marmite. Give this all a really good stir. If you like your sprouts with a bit of a bite, you can simply stop here. To get them a little softer, add in a splash of water and cover. We're going to leave them to steam like this for 10 minutes. Take care when removing the lid, it may be hot. Give them one last stir and your sprouts are ready to serve.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we really hope you enjoyed it. If you would like us to share with you any more of our Christmas recipes, just let us know down in the comments.
Are you looking for more like side dishes? Do you want more trimmings, that kind of thing? Or do you want the main event, desserts? Let us know down in the comments and we can see what we can do. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!